Choose the correct answer first. Letter A, if the prime factors of a number are 12 times 2 times 2, then the number is 8, because 2 times 2 times 2, it will be 8. Letter B, the greatest common factor of any two prime numbers is 1. The result will be 1. If you want to find the least common multiplication of any two prime number, we must choose their product. But in this example, you want to find the least common factor, it will be 1. Question letter C, if the height of a school's building is in meters and the height of the tree adjacent to this building is 10 meters less than, then the height of the tree, it will be space meter. We can find the height of meter by using subtract. Less than, its meaning subtract less than by 10. So we can write here the height of school building subtract by 10 meters to find the height of the tree. The height of the tree will be m subtract by 10. M, the height of the building of school, and 10, the difference between two lengths. Question letter D, 3 power 0 or 0 power 3. 3 power 0, it will be 1, and 0 power 3, it will be 0, then 1 greater than this number, so we must choose this sign. Question letter E, if the price of one shirt is 120 pounds, then the price of m number of shirt multiplication them, he give us the price of each one 120 pounds, then the total will be 120 multiplication by m. Okay, if you want to price m numbers of shirts, the total will be 120 multiplications the number of shirts, the result will be 120 m. Question letter F, the horizontal axis includes numerical radius in histogram. Okay, we use the histogram. In the histogram here we have the interval, first interval, second interval, third interval. We have the period here, periods in histogram. Right, histogram. Question letter G, space may be used to display numerical data. Numerical data, dot plots, bar graph. Okay, histogram, it's true. Okay, write all of the previous, all the solution. Okay. Second question, complete letter A, the number that if divided by 35, the quotient will be 139 and the remainder 21. We want to find the dividend here. We know the dividend equal divisor multiplication the quotient plus the remainder. Then in question letter A, we can find the product between 35, the divisor, by the quotient 139 plus the remainder here is 21. 139 multiplication by 35. 5 times 9 equal 45, right? 5 and the carry of 4. 3 times 5, 15 plus 4 equal 19. 9 and the carry of 1. 1 times 5 equal 5 plus 1 equal 6 plus right 0. 3 times 9, 27. 7 and the carry of 2. 3 times 3 equal 9. 9 plus 2 equal 11. 1 and the carry of 1. 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4. And then 8 them. 9 plus 7 equals 16. 6 and the carry of 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And then write 4. Then the result here 4,865 plus the remainder to find the dividend. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 0 and the carry of 1. The result will be 500. We have here 5 here. The result will be 4,865 plus 21. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And write 8 again, and for the result will be 4,800. Question letter B, space multiplication by space plus space equal 7 times 2 plus 7 times 4. We have 7 here outside, and write 2 and 4 using distributive properties. Question letter C. If Salah saves Z pounds per day, then he saves space pounds in a week. We know 1 week equals 7 days. Then the result will be 7Z. He will save 7Z. Understood? Next question. Question letter D. Like terms from algebraic expression, we have 3n and 2n. We called it like terms. Question letter E. If 7x equal 35, means the value of x equal 5. Because 7 times 5 equals 35. Question letter F. In the equation y equal x plus 4, the dependent variable here x here independent. He want to find the dependent will be y. We have again y equal x plus 4. Y we called it dependent and x independent. He want to find dependent variables. The dependent variable here, it will be y. Write y. The solution will be y. Write y here. Question letter G. Space data is written in a form of words. We use description by using words in categorical data. Question letter G. Categorical data. Question letter H. The types of pins preferred by the students of your class. Space data, we used here categorical data. The types of pins, it will be again categorical data. We used here words in this example. Okay, third, choose the correct answer. The largest non-positive integer, it will be 0. Non-positive, it will be 0. Okay, and non-negative, it will be 0. 0 non-positive and non-negative. Letter P. 0 is an, what is a or n? Is a natural number. We can write here natural. Question letter C. The inequality represents negative numbers x less than 0. Question letter D. The relationship that represents the equation y equal third x, here multiply by third or divided by 3. Okay, choose here divided by 3. Divide by 3. It's meaning third x, it's meaning what? Divide by 3 or multiplication by third. Question letter E. And 6x in y, this equation y equal 6x plus 4. If x equal 3, then y will be equal 6 multiplication by 3 plus 4. 6 times 3 equal 18. 18 plus 4 equal 22. The result here will be 22. Question letter F. The sum of set of values is 36 and the mean of this value is 6. Then the number of these values, we can divide it 36, sum of set divided the mean. Divided the mean 6, 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Because the mean equals the sum of all sets divided the number of sets. Last question, letter G. The space will be the best, choose a measure. The best here will be the mean. We can use the here the mean. Okay, the best of central tendency here in the opposite graph, we use the here the mean. It's the best. Okay, write the mean in the space. Fourth, number 1, Mahmoud wants us to divide 28 pins and 42 naughty box into groups so that each group contains the same number of samples. What is the largest number of groups that can be configured for each type of supply to have the same number in each group? How many beans are each group? And what is the number of notebook? Okay, in this example we can find the height common factor between two numbers by factorization. First number and second number. Here we have 28 and the next number 42. We know 28 equal 4 times 7 and 2 times 2 times 7, and 42 equals 6 times 7, 2 times 3 times 7. And then draw the common here to find the greatest common factor. Write 2 times 7, it will be what? It will be 14. Okay, so we can draw here the Venn diagram and write the common between them, 2 and 7, and write 2 here and write 3 outside. The first number it will be 28 and the second number 42. And the least common multiplication between two numbers, write 2 times 2 times 7 times 3. Okay, 2 times 2 4 and 3 times 1 is 7, 21. Write 84. Okay, so in this example 28 plus 42, we can write the height common factor between them. 2 times 7 equal 14 outside here, and 28 divided by 14 equal 2, and 42 divided by 14 it will be equal 3. So we will have 14 groups. How many groups here? We will have 14 groups. In each one we will put 2 pins and 3 notebooks. Write 2 pins in each one and 3 notebook. Understood? Again, we have 28 pins and 42 notebook. We want to distribute the total about pins and notebook in the groups. Okay, how many groups? We will have here 14 groups. In each group we will put 2 pins and 3 notebook. Okay, understood? Next question. Question number 2. 15 pounds will be 8 for delivery of fast food meals in the restaurant. Complete the equation that represent the relationship between the price of miles X and the amount to be paid including delivery Y. Okay, we can write Y equal X plus 15 because 15 is constant. In this example 15 pounds will be 82 plus the delivery at fast. If you want 1 or 2 and 3 you must cancel X here. Okay, it was letter A. Letter B, if the price of the meal is 120 pounds, then the required amount will be 120 plus 15. The total or the cost will be 120 plus 100 plus 15. 120 is the price of one meal. The price of the meals is 120 and 15 delivery. Okay, then the total will be 135 what pounds? 135 pounds. Okay, question number 3. The following table shows recorded temperature in 40 cities in one day. There is a histogram of the following frequency data. Okay, it's very easy to draw. We have here 28 first. Draw, it's very easy for you. 28, and second 212, and the next 29, 27, 24. You can draw it, it's very easy for you. Okay, question number 4. Find the 5 points summary using the following. We have here minimum, it will be 2, it's a minimum, it will be 2. Lower quartile, it will be 4, and median will be 10, and upper quartile it will be 15, and maximum it will be 18. Okay, A. The result will be 2, 4, 10, 15, 18. Understood?